how's everybody doing today? I have a question for you. Have you ever read the ingredient list for those plastic tubs of frozen whipped topping that you find in the frozen section? There it is. Kind of scary, isn't it? What I have here are 4 all-natural ingredients: powdered sugar, heavy cream, vanilla, and mascarpone cheese. Because we're going to make homemade whipped cream with mascarpone cheese. Now, why do I add the mascarpone cheese? Because that is going to help stabilize the whipped cream so that I can have it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. So not only is this going to taste better, it's going to be way better for you. So let me show you how easy it is to make your own homemade whipped cream that you don't have to worry about deflating. Now I like to put my beaters and my bowl in the freezer or the refrigerator so that they're nice and cold for me to start. I had to put mine in the refrigerator because they wouldn't fit in my freezer. So to my bowl, I'm going to add 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Now mascarpone is kind of Italian's version of our cream cheese. It doesn't have the same tangy taste that our cream cheese does. It's much milder. And I like to just give this an initial whip just to get it going. And to that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going with 1/2 cup powdered sugar because powdered sugar also helps whipped cream stabilize and helps keep it from deflating. Can you add more if you like yours sweeter? Yes, you can go up to 3/4 cup, even a cup if you want yours really, really sweet. I'm going for 1/2 cup. Now you can also, of course, use your stevia in the raw or your monk fruit. And I'm just going to get these two a little mix. Now you could also use regular sugar if you don't want to use the powdered sugar. But this, you really can't substitute. This is heavy cream, and we're going with 1.5 cups of heavy cream. This, you got to stick with the heavy cream, otherwise it's not going to whip. And now we're just going to whip this until it has the consistency that we want. And you have to be careful because you can go too far and make a really sweet butter. And if you see it start to separate and water forming, well, you've made butter. And now here you are in under 5 minutes with homemade beautiful whipped cream that you can make the day before, have in your refrigerator. It is so delicious. Now I'm going to tell you a story about my mascarpone whipped cream. 2 summers ago, I entered the Blueberry Festival's cooking contest. And my mascarpone whipped cream not only made the 2-hour drive to the Blueberry Festival, it survived 5 hours sitting out on the judging tables in July. So this Thanksgiving, make some homemade whipped cream and just leave all those chemicals behind. This is going to be so tasty. Everybody's going to rave about your mascarpone whipped cream. I promise. So did I tell you? Oh yeah, another great benefit of this is it's completely pipeable.